Hi guys, just a quick update on the E36 M3. We didn't get much work done those last 2 weeks on the cars, but what we managed to squeeze in quickly was just finishing up the throttle bodies and the side shafts. So let's just go through the throttles quickly, right? So you remember these guys were all rusted and they just looked a bit tired. So I hope the video can do a little bit of justice for you guys. It's not going to be a long one. It's a nice short video. So this, we got the shaft here plated properly, and then we went through on the gold, but it came out much lighter than I would have wanted, but nonetheless it still looks good. Then on your TPS, your throttle position sensor, we've got these nuts here, but like I said, they came out very light on the gold side of things. We have to get this guy here polished out because this is aluminium. I'm not doing aluminium plating at the moment. The spring we kept silver with the gold linkage. Then we went through the silver on the main link. Then again we broke up here again with the silver spring, the gold link in between the pair. This is a plastic butt here, so that will remain black, and then with the gold link on the side here as well. We've done basically the same thing here. So we've got a spring here that's silver, and I think the silver came out in a nice chrome almost like finish. But this one is a bit more silver here with the gold links here. And then your main throttle cable link came up in a nice light gold color, so she broke up nicely. We've got these vent pipes here on that rail, and we've got a fuel rail as well, so that's been powder coated. The injectors have been ultrasonic cleaned, but I think this guy came out nice. I think it came out good. So we battled a bit with the screws on the throttles on the butterflies itself. So there's actually two butterflies. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we actually left it in because we're gonna have a lot of crap getting them out and re-rolling them and so on like that. For the side shafts, in the previous video I showed you guys how we were trying to play around with colors, right? And again I'm battling with lighting in the shop here. Okay, let's see if we can get a better close-up like that. So we kept the outer cups gold. This is electroplated basically to a silver finish, then onto a gold. I'm waiting, I haven't put on the clamps as yet. I'm trying to get the original clamps with the tool so we can clamp these guys on properly. And the same thing here. Here we don't have much of an option to play with, right? The only thing that's coming still on here is the ABS ring, of which I changed over now, and we're rather going to keep it black just to break up a little bit in here, but we couldn't really play with the gold colors in here. But this is how they came out. So we're going to be mounting them onto the suspension items on Monday or so. I'll keep you guys updated with how the rest looks. As for the motor, let me just swing the motor past here quickly. Okay, no, we'll do that a bit later. There's still quite a bit of work to be done on them. So we've still got to do the ram tubes, we've still got to do the powder coating. Just hang here, sorry about that. So we've got this is the cover that this is a coil cover that we've had blasted. And it came out quite good. So we're gonna go with a matte black finish over here. Sorry, the table is really messed up, but we've just been crazily busy. You'll see the M20 stuff going on in the background as well. So we're gonna go with a nice matte black finish over here. We're gonna do a shave over the Empower, and we should have a nice contrast finish on the rest of the motor with that. The varnish bolts, got the last few bolts in because I told you we're not taking the complete unit out. But we're making progress. So next week we should have quite a bit of content for you guys. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe our channel, and you guys know what to do. And I promise to update you more next week. Cheers guys.